Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you how to predict the next market direction using our powerful 4-minute strategy. And I've tested this strategy, it has been working. I've been consistently profitable with it. So let's get started. But before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel, do have to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can always get notified when I upload my next video. Okay, I'll be trading USD/JPY. Like I said, the strategy demands that you do multi-time frame analysis between the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart. So looking at the 5-minute chart, we are seeing more of buyer's entry. And if you look at the 1-minute chart, it's a clear uptrend. You can see the market is going higher. So we should be looking out for opportunities that will help us to place a higher option. So you can see that we are still seeing more of buyer's entry. So maybe once we get a good entry point, we'll go in with buyers for 4 minutes. Okay, so let's observe the market closely. Okay, the market is just showing willingness to go higher. And on this pair, EUR/JPY, I think the market is looking bearish. Okay, we are seeing some sellers retracement here. So maybe at the close of this candle, we'll be going with a higher option for 4 minutes. Let's look at the 5 minutes again. You can see bullish trend. You can see some buying pressure. So at the close of this red candle, I will go with a higher option for 4 minutes. Okay, yeah, I placed a higher option here because you can see that the underlying market direction is bullish. Market is going high, forming higher highs and higher lows. And we are seeing willingness of buyers to take the market higher. So this is a trend following pattern, is a trend following strategy. So all we do is to look out for opportunities to go with the higher option. Okay, so that's why I went with the higher option, and I waited to get a good entry point so I could place my trade. So you can go with this strategy that has been working, and I have been consistently profitable with it. So but you have to keep your risk management tight, and don't abuse the strategy by using too much of your trading size, so you will not get hurt. Okay, so I think we'll allow this trade run for now, and let's watch out how this trade pan out in the next few minutes. Okay, we are in the last seconds of this trade, and you can see that the buyers are still taking the market higher. So definitely we win this trade. We have few seconds more. Okay, very good. You can see that was an ITM. I won that trade, a good win. So I think I'm still seeing more willingness for buyers to take the market higher. You can see on the 5 minutes, market is bullish, more of buyers entry. So if we should get another good entry point, I might still go with the higher option again for 4 minutes. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think we are getting another retracement candle. So for 4 minutes, I'll go with the higher option again. Yes, I place a higher option here because we are still seeing more of buyers entry. The market is showing more willingness to go higher. So like we said, it's a trend following pattern. So we'll keep on following the trend, and hopefully we should win this trade. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, we have about a few seconds more on this second trade. Okay, we had a Maribozu candlestick there. No win, no loss. Okay, I think the market is consolidating now. Okay, even on this Euro JPY, I guess the market is still consolidating. So let's look out for another opportunity so we can place our trade. Okay, this market is trying to come down, but for now it's still consolidating. Okay, on this 5 minutes, the market looks a bit bearish. It looks like a market that wants to drop down, but we are not seeing any clear trend here that we can follow. Okay, yeah, we are back again. I paused the video and I'm back again. You can see this market later came down, but I was not there. So right now we are seeing some bullish trend. We are seeing some strong buyers entering into the market. So I guess we'll have another opportunity here. You can see the market is retracing a little. So you can see a willingness of buyers to take the market higher now. You can see strong buying momentum. strong buying force in this market. So we have to follow this predominant trend. You have to follow this buyer's entry, and then you can see the market is bullish here. So for 4 minutes, at the close of this red candle, I will place a higher option and we'll allow the trade to run. Okay. Okay, good. I'll go with a higher option here. So I placed a higher option here because after I paused the video and I came back, the market has already came down strongly. But now you can see willingness for buyers to take the market higher. So we are seeing more of buyers entering into the market, strong buyers entry, and it's giving us a willingness to go higher. So we have to follow this trend. And we got a good entry point for this trade. So hopefully we should get another ITM here, and we should win this trade in the nearest minute. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay. We have about a few seconds more again for this third trade. You can see the market is going higher, and we believe we should keep on going higher. So hopefully we should get an ITM on this one. Okay, you can see willingness for buyers to take the market more higher. You are seeing more of buyers entry again into the market. So it's a sign that this market is still going higher. So we can still follow it. Let me increase the trade size. I'll use a better trade amount, because I know that this one should be a short trade. Okay, at the close of that candle again, if he wants to retrace, if we get another red candle, maybe a retracement candlestick, so that we can get a good entry point. And at the close of that candle, I will go with another higher option for 4 minutes, because you are seeing a predominant force of buyers, and it's showing us that buyers want to take the market higher. Okay, let's see how this one pan out. If we should get another good entry point. Okay, you can see we are getting a retracement candle, so that should be our entry point. I'll go with another higher option here for 4 minutes. So I place a higher option here because we are still seeing strong buyers entering the market, a bullish trend, and on the 5 minutes we are seeing the predominant force of buyers. So this is a sign that the market should be going higher. Okay, So like I said, I do tell people, so long as you place a trade without proper understanding, you're gambling. And gambling is what causes emotion. So for you to be profitable in this market, you have to understand the market to the brim. If you can't explain every moves that happen in this market, know that you're gambling. So you have to go for knowledge. Don't just assume you know the market. You have to understand in-depth uh, secret and patterns in this market so that you can be profitable. So don't place a trade without understanding. Okay? So we have about few minutes more. Let's see how this one pan out. Okay, you have about a few seconds more on this one. Okay, very good. That was another ITM. This was a long shot. You can see our 4-minute strategy never fails us. So far as we are in line with the trend. The strategy can never fail us, and that's why it's meant for 4 minutes. You can see the timing was accurate, and at the last candle we still won our trade. Okay, you can see I've placed about 4 trades today, 3 ITMs and 1 ATM. Our strategy does not fail. It's working perfectly. So you need proper understanding of the market so that you won't gamble with your money. Okay, you can see here that was a long week, and the market is still bullish. Okay, do want to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can always get notified when I upload my next video. I wish you good luck and good trading.